Justice DY Chandrachud is the 50th Chief Justice of India.
Personally, as your successor, I'm conscious that I have very big size shoes to fill because you have really raised the bar for the Chief Justice.
In the past, he had maintained that the Chief Justice and judges of the court were constitutional officers and not a hierarchy. A judge on the Supreme Court since 2016, Justice Chandrachud has been a part of several landmark verdicts. We take a look at some of the most important ones. Giving a broader interpretation to abortion rights, in September 2022, the D.Y. Chandrachud-led bench of the Supreme Court held that marital status must not affect anyone's right to seek an abortion. As such, unmarried women also have the right to seek an abortion under the Medical Termination of Pregnancy Act. The judgment also refers to non-consensual intercourse between married couples as marital rape. Justice D.Y. Chandrachud in August 2017 overruled the habeas corpus case of the emergency era, which held that fundamental rights can be suspended at a time when emergency is proclaimed. The overruled judgment was passed by a bench that included his father, Justice Y.V. Chandrachud. In a historic judgment, then CJI Deepak Mishra, with Justice Chandrachud and 3 other judges on the bench, decriminalized unnatural sex between 2 consenting adults. The state has no business to intrude into these personal matters, nor can societal notions of heteronormativity regulate constitutional liberties based on sexual orientation, said Justice Chandrachud in his judgment. In his opinion in the Sabrimala judgment, Justice Chandrachud held that women of menstrual age had the right to enter the temple. He held that immunizing customs and usages took away the primacy of the constitution. Justice Chandrachud was the sole dissenter to challenge the validity of Aadhaar. He held that provisions of the Act affected the right to privacy of the individual. The aspect of passing the Aadhaar scheme as a money bill was termed unconstitutional in Chandrachud's opinion. A 5-judge bench of the Supreme Court, including Justice Chandrachud, struck down Section 497 of the Indian Penal Code and decriminalized adultery in India. Adultery is seen now as a civil offense that can be a ground for divorce. Hadia, who was a Hindu, had converted to Islam and married Shafeen Zahan, a Muslim. Kerala High Court had annulled the marriage and ordered Hadia to be placed in the custody of her parents. The Supreme Court bench, comprising Justice Chandrachud, overturned the ruling and stressed on the right of a woman who has attained majority to exercise autonomy and the right to make decisions concerning her marriage and choice of adopting a religion. A DOI online report.